Level up your Japanese with Hazu, meaning must be or should be. Take a listen to how Cassiopeia uses it from Pokémon Violet.
おそらくメロコは我々の宣戦布告で荒れているはず。
That Hazu marks a logical conclusion. She's saying Mela must be upset after our declaration of war. Yikes, I mean I'd be upset too if war were declared. Speaking of which, what Pokemon are you partnering up with if war breaks out? Drop it in the comments. My money is on Gardevoir. Now let's make this grammar your secret weapon. What is Hazu? It's used when you have a logical reason to believe something. Not a wild guess, it's a confident deduction. Think of it like must be, should be, supposed to be. And yes, she's verbs. Hazu works with verbs, adjectives, and nouns. A total grammar queen.
Slay!
So let's break it down the game example. Say it with me. おそらくメロコは我々の宣戦布告で荒れているはず. Put it together, Mela must be upset because of our declaration of war. Now, let's move on to some more sentences with sparkle. As I've said, Hazu is versatile, so if you're going to use it with a noun, it must be noun plus no Hazu da. As in, プリンは近所のカラオケ店のオーナーのはずだ. Jigglypuff must secretly own the neighborhood karaoke bar. Now in the case of adjectives, you just have your adjective plus はずだ. ギャルプはファッションモデルのように美しいはずだ. Rapidash must be as beautiful as a fashion model. Here I just used an E adjective, but there are not adjectives as well, and in that case, you would have your na adjective, keep the na in between, plus hazu da. Now, hazu really shows its versatility when it comes to verbs because it can attach to different verb forms, and each one changes the nuance just a little bit. For example, let's take benkyou suru, to study, at its base. You could say, 彼は勉強するはずだ. He should study, he's supposed to study. Past tense, 彼は勉強したはずだ. He must have studied. Progressive, 彼は勉強しているはずだ. He must be studying right now. And past progressive, 彼は勉強していたはずだ. He must have been studying. And even the negative, 彼は勉強しないはずだ. He shouldn't study. He must not study. Which brings me to our next gem of a sentence. Mewtwo は世界を征服する計画を立てているはずだ. Mewtwo must be plotting world domination right now. Okay, maybe not. But admit, you'll never forget how Hazu works. So now you know how to use Hazu, the grammar for when something must be true based on logic or evidence. It's a total level up for your Japanese. このビデオを見てくれたので subscribe するはずだ. Since you watched this video, you must be subscribing, right? See you next time. じゃあね